Dear children, good morning to all of you. Today I want to teach you here chapter 4 from Harnbill for class 11th. This is also where man finds a fundamental rule. Man gets a fundamental rule in that space between heaven and earth. In that space between heaven and earth, he becomes the conduit of communication between both poles of the universe. His The man becomes the conduit of the communication between both poles of the universe. His presence is essential even if it is only suggested. If it is advised, then his presence is essential. Far from being lost or oppressed by the lofty peaks, he is in Francois Cheng's wonderful expression, the eye of the landscape, and he is in Chang's strange expression, the eye of landscape. When French painter Jean Daufet mooted the concept of art brut in the 1940s, the art of the untrained visionary was monetary interest from its almost wild beginnings. Cider art has gradually become the fastest growing area of interest in contemporary art internationally. It is written here that there was a French painter Jean Dubuffet mooted. His concept of art brut was expressed in the 1940s, which was the art of the untrained visionary, and his art means visionary means here which could not be seen in the proper way, was a minority interest, means people did not took much interest from its almost wild beginning. Outer side art has gradually become the fastest growing area. His outer side at that time the outer side art was the fastest growing area for interest. Mm, this genre is described as the art of those who have no right, and this main point is described as the art of those who have no right to be artists, who have no right to be an artist, as they have received no formal training yet, so they have not gotten training, they are not talented from inner side. Their work are a their work are a their work are a their work are a those who have no right to be artists, as they have received no formal training yet show talent and artistic inside. Their works are a stimulating contrast to a lot of mainstream offerings, and their works are not stimulating, which provides in the there was difference in their work, a lot of difference in their work. Around the time the fate was profounding his concept in India as untutored genuine was created. Paradise years ago, little patch of jungle that he began clearing to make himself a garden sculpted with stone, and means many years after he began to make years after he began to make a little patch of jungle that he began clearing, and he was clearing that jungle himself and making a garden himself, a garden sculpted with, and he had prepared a garden with stone and recycled material is known to the world today as the rock garden at Chandigarh, and that is known as rock garden in Chandigarh. It is 80 years old creator director Nick Chand is known now hailed as India's biggest contributor to Outsider, and Nick Chand is known as India's biggest contributor as outsider artist. The 50th issue spring 2005 of Raw version is a UK-based magazine pioneer in outsider art publication features Nick Chand and his rock garden sculpture Women by the Waterfall on its um, anniversary issues cover. Means Nick Chand had shown his rock garden which he had prepared. There was a woman by the waterfall, near the waterfall. The notion of art brut or art was of work that were in their raw state as regards cultural and artistic influence. The main idea of his art was uh, that there was a raw state, means not better state for knowing. Cultural and artistic influence was not clearly given anything and everything from a tin to sink to a broken down car would be material for a work of art. Sink to a broken down car means here it is expressed about a car which could be material for a work, means he had provided a material for his work, something Nick Chand has taken a giddying heights, recognizing his art as an outstanding testimony of the marvelous testimony of the difference a single man can make when he lives his dream. A single man can make when he lives his dream. If he wants to make alive be alive in his dream. The Swiss Commission is UNESCO will be honoring him by way of European exposition of his work, and UNESCO has honored him the 5 months interactive show realism of Nick Chand, and he had shown in his painting the realism beginning October will be held at leading museums in Switzerland, Belgium, France, and Italy. The biggest reward is walking through the garden and seeing people enjoy my creation. Nick Chand here says that he has gotten the biggest reward, which was people could see near his garden. Thank you. Here is the question of CW which I want to ask with you. When was the world's first nationwide Green Party founded? What did Copernicus? No, sorry. What do you understand by the term outsider art and art brut or raw art? Thank you. It was the question of CW.